One box of spaghetti. We're making a Italy-inspired chicken and spaghetti recipe.
Whoa, did you cook those?
Oh yeah, cooked them, strained them, fresh out the pot. Now,
Wow.
we're gonna add some Tyson chicken.
Oh, Tyson chicken breasts?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
So just frozen straight out of the bag. We're gonna line these up in the pan.
Wow. You can cook them frozen?
Oh yeah, you can cook them thawed or frozen.
Wow, okay.
Sitting on a nice little bed of spaghetti.
Wow.
We're gonna go for one more.
That looks good.
And now, we're gonna use some American cheese.
Nice.
One slice on each one.
Whoa.
That's gonna be good. All right, now, we're gonna grab some marinara pasta sauce.
Nice, organic.
Oh,
wow.
Yeah. We're going healthy here. Just gonna pour that all over this.
Whoa.
It's all covered up. You want to cover all the chicken real good. Okay, now we're gonna grab some Italian seasoning.
Italian
Get this
seasoning.
at any store.
Wow. Oh, yum. Really quick. Okay, what's next?
All right, we're gonna do some Parmesan cheese that's already grated.
Yum.
I'm gonna just coat this dish
Oh my gosh.
all the way. We'll go for a round 2. That looks good.
Whoa.
All right, now let's put this in the oven
Okay.
at 375 for about 32 minutes.
32 minutes, okay. All right.
Okay. Wow.
Whoa.
That is looking good. Cheese coming through. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. Amazing. Ooh. Can you try some?
Yeah. Get some of that chicken. Get some of that spaghetti. Mmm. That's good stuff.